mo ba yan?
Yes.
Oo. Pag hindi mo sila inad mamayang gabi, ako mag-add sa
Thank you for the warning.
Okay? So you can also do that one. Makipagparyente ka, same family name, same na name, diba? Ay, ano kasi pareho yung pangalan, I like your name, diba? Mga ganon. As long, you use this one to connect with the person because you have the common ground. Diba? Kasi hindi naman pwede mag-add yan na wala kang pag-uusapan. Ang iisipin niya, he might be thinking, who is this person adding me, you know, a stranger? Then tapos, in-add mo lang siya without any message. So that is why it's very unethical to add a person without permission. So that is why the first is always a script. So dito nyo ma-appreciate ngayon yung mga script na yan. Okay? So this is all about finding friend and on. Okay, etong gagawin nyo ha. Sa lahat ng message nyo, pag may nag-reply, anong next nyo na gagawin? I-add nyo doon sa prospect list nyo. Nakakaya niya siya? Let's say, I message this person, then after that, okay lang, ganun, usap-usap na. Then tapos, ang gagawin mo, pag naging friend na kayo, okay, maghanap ako muna ng friend ko dito. Okay, my friend. Okay, let's say, eto. Dito makita mo friend, then tapos lagay mo dyan, add to another list. Okay? Then hahanapin mo kung saan yung ginawa mong list kanina. Okay? Then tapos i-add mo siya doon. Next yung prospect list, i-add mo siya dyan. I-click mo yan, pag na-check, in short, pag binuksan mo mamaya yung prospect list mo, lalabas na yung timeline na doon. So anong gagawin mo na daily basis? Mag-like, mag-comment, or i-share mo yung post nila. Bakit? That is the best way to connect to them. Kung ikaw, pag nag-post ka nga, maya't maya, check ka kung ilan na yung likes. Tama? Gustong-gusto mong may nagla-like ng post mo. Tama mali? That is why, the more na marami ka, let's say siya palagi yung nagla-like, malapit ang loob mo sa kanya. Tama mali? You're getting closer to the person who is always following you up in Facebook. Right? You keep on checking how many likes already in my profile picture. Oh, grabe, follower ko talaga si ganito. I really love this person. Am I right?
Yes.
That is one way of connecting or building relationship with your prospect. So kung hindi naka-organize yung prospect list mo, or I mean, your friends, hindi mo siya magagawa. Diba? So, eto, pag nasa mobile nyo naman, dito mo rin i-click, ang nakalagay dyan is edit list. Okay? Hindi siya add to other list. So ngayon, pag pumunta ka na dyan, ang gagawin mo early in the morning. Okay? Puntahan mo na yung list mo ng prospect list. I-click mo, lahat ng nandyan ay, di ba? Oh, mag-greet ka, yung birthday niya pala, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Greet naman dyan. Diba? So, na-post na. So, birthday, kung minsan hindi mo nga na yan maalala eh. Ito, mamaya, sa next na setup natin, I will give a strategy how to make use of birthday celebration for your prospecting. Hindi mo na ngayon, ha? Kasi magkakaroon ka ng information overload. Mamaya wala na kayong magawa sa sobrang overwhelming. Diba? Ganun naman talaga ang mangyayari, diba? Yan. So dito lahat, makita mo, ito na pala yung isa na nilagay ko sa prospect. Like ka dyan, gano'n. Like mo siya, then comment ka. Wow, you're very beautiful today. Mga gano'n. Tama nyo? That is one way of connecting to the prospect. Okay? So ngayon, this session, I will teach you only how to get specific or targeted prospect, how to start communicating with them. Hindi pwede dito ang shotgun na pag may na-met ka, inad mo, send ka agad ng video ng uno, ng product, eto, may pampapayat ka, may ganyan. Hindi po gano'n, ha? Okay? 1 week. Okay? Starting today, if you do it today, you still have 1 week to communicate with them, right? The next week, I will tell you what is the best approach to market your business. Diba? So, babalik pa pala ako next week. Okay lang, at hindi ka babalik, di ba? Libre naman to eh. Okay. So, basically, these are the major strategy on Facebook, paano ka mag-reach out ng mga unlimited prospects? Diba? Na kung minsan, hindi mo alam anong ginagawa mo sa Facebook. But mind you, in Facebook, if you don't know how to manage your time, I'm telling you, kakainin ka. There's so many distractions on Facebook. Tama? Kaya ang gagawin mo, you need to have a discipline. Ang ginagawa ko simple lang, I have a written activity online daily. Ganitong oras lang ako dapat mag-communicate sa prospect. Next niyan, mag-update ako ng website. Next nito, kailangan mag-upload na ako ng mga ganito sa group ng mga... Next nito, mag-update na ako ng mga page ko. Dapat disiplinado ka. Kasi pag wala kang oras, I'm telling you, buong araw ka lang dyan, brown ng anong timeline mo. Tapos manood ka pa ng video, diba? Uy, andito pala si Alden yung sa Dubai. Diba? Manood ka pa ng mga ganyan. So, kinakain yung oras mo. So, hindi ka na productive. So, that is why make use of your time wisely on Facebook. Dapat strictly, kaya nga FB, diba? For business. Right? Facebook is for business that you are an entrepreneur now. So don't use Facebook and other things na hindi naman nagdadagdag ng parent bonus mo, ng Unilever, ng direct referral. Diba? Okay. So ngayon, may last tayo na strategy, but basically this is not all about on prospecting na. Ito naman, ideally for those people who wanted to sell products online and who wanted to promote yourself as a trainer, as an entrepreneur, or you wanted to recruit someone, you know, in a professional way. Kasi ganito, using Facebook page. There are some of you who are promoting your product directly on Facebook account, on your personal account. Am I right? Sino dito yung araw-araw nila uno, yung post niya hanggang, yung alam mo na impact siya na yung mga friend mo sa kakatikin ng timeline mo. Yung iba ina-unfollow ka na, hindi mo lang alam. Hindi lang nila matiis na i-unfriend ka. Nararamdaman niyo na ba yan? O, kaya wag niyong tadtarin ng puro uno yung post niyo. Because there's a rule in posting in Facebook. 80-20 rule. Or 1:3 ratio. Out of 100%, or let's say, out of 10, dalawa lang dapat ang related sa business. Yung 8, dapat personal life mo yun, or let's say other non-business related. Let's say you went to this place, nag-date kayo ng boyfriend or girlfriend or ng asawa mo, then or let's say nagbakasyon ka, kailangan mo rin maging tao sa Facebook mo. Baka mamaya isipin niya, is he sick? You know? Is he still a human being? You know? Or is he a robot? Right? Na-post na lang ng post siya, parang naka-auto-post na lang ata yung lahat ng post siya kasi uno. Diba? Okay, so dapat ganon. Because here we need to be more professional in dealing our friends on Facebook. Because not everyone na friends natin sa Facebook like our products or like our business. But they like us as a friend, they like us as a relative or family, right? Pero kung ang nangyayari, ang binabrand mo ngayon is yung puro na lang ganyan-ganyan, later on, masyak ka na lang, wala na siya sa friend list. Sino na naka-experience ng ganyan? Wala pa naman, huwag niyong antayin, ha? Okay. So ngayon, magagawa tayo ng isang platform wherein dito yung ideal place to do your business, not on your Facebook account. Okay? And this is what we call Facebook page. Sino po dito may Facebook page na? Okay? Ilan pa lang. Pakitas mo ng kamay na may mga Facebook page. Okay? So, ano po yung name ng Facebook page po ninyo? Okay, it's all about Bible verses. Employment, Jeremiah 29:11. But that's the name of your Facebook. Well, it's unique, ha? Okay? So, what is the purpose of that? Magre-recruit for employment. You are working in an agency. Okay, recruitment for the business or for an employment?
Ministry.
Okay, ministry. Okay, sorry for that. Okay? So, but are you thinking of using that for recruiting people into, future? Okay. So, it's very, very sensitive, di ba? Kasi you are posing yourself as, you are giving these people spiritual advices and all, then later on, ipapasok mo yung business. So, it's very, very challenging, but you can do it. Okay? With true wisdom in your heart, right? So, apply. Ano naman pangalan ng page mo apply?
Uno lang, unlimited. Uno health and beauty products.
Uno Health and Beauty Products. So, di ba? Top earner na nga, nagbibenta pa online, no? Diba? Sabi ko nga sa kanila, top 1, top 2, top 3 na kayo. Hindi na kayo magbenta online. Kailangan pa rin daw, di ba? That's the reason why rich is getting richer and poor are getting poorer. Okay. So ngayon, si Page ang gagawin natin na platform to conduct business and other, alam mo yun, let's say, pwede kasi siyang for personal purposes na ipopromote mo yung sarili mo as a motivational speaker, as an expert in network marketing, you know, as an expert in health and wellness industry, you know, or you can use that Facebook page to be your online shop. You don't need to hire someone to create a website for you, especially if you are just starting up on online marketing. Hindi mo kailangan mag-hire. It's very expensive, and at the same time, if you will do it yourself, it will take your time, you know, it will eat your time, and you will spend money. Why go for that if may libre naman? Tama? Okay. So, ang page, sa mga hindi nakakaalam o nakakakilala kay page, ipapakilala ko bukod siya sa inyo, ha? Ang account, ina-add. Ang group, nagjo-join ka. Ang page nila like mo. So, yun po si page. So, gagawa tayo ng page. How? Step number 1, sa mga walang page, napakadali lang gumawa. Pag may account ka na, doon ka gagawa ng page inside your account. Because you can create now as many pages as you can. Like me, I have more than 100 pages. Kinabaliwan ko yan dati yung page na yan. And right now, it's giving me the return. I have some of my downlines here na tinitrain ko sila talaga for online marketing. So, yun. Anyway, pag naka-create ka na ng page, okay, pag kinlik mo na yun, mamimili ka. So, ngayon, what is the best page for you? Hindi pwedeng ngayon gagawa ka na hindi mo alam anong purpose ng page mo. Okay, you need to have a purpose of your page. And you need to be unique. Bakit unique? Parang ganito yan lang siya. Let's say, my page ako was created 5 years ago, and the likes are already 47,000 likes. So kung gagayahin mo yung pangalan ng page na yon, matatalo ka sa page ranking. Nakuha niyo siya? Kasi pag nag-search sila, ang mga tao, okay, the traffic, pag mag-search sila doon sa Google or sa Facebook ng ganitong keyword, ang unang ilalabas ng Facebook is yung may mataas na page rank. Okay? Or impression, ang tawag natin doon. So ngayon, pagkakasimula mo pa lang at gusto mo makipagkompetensya, kasi may kompetensya in terms of keyword pag sinesearch ka. Diba? The more popular, yun ang inuunang ilalabas ni Facebook or ni Google. So ngayon, kailangan unique. Okay, ano ba yung purpose mo? Let's say, if you wanted to sell products, you need to be specific. Kung gusto mo naman lahat ng products ang ibenta mo, pwede mong sabihin, Uno Premier Products UAE by Rene Capua. Pwede ganon. Because andun yung pangalan mo, because our purpose is branding yourself. Kung ayaw mo naman magpakilala, na lalaki ka, nagbibenta ka ng beauty products, okay lang tanggalin mo yung pangalan mo. But the more unique, the better. Okay, let's say, if you wanted to sell products on slimming or weight loss, I have the best recommendation for you. Ang gagawin mo, simple lang. Gawa ka ng page na ang pangalan is Weight Loss Tips by PJ Primalyon. Diba? Ang gagawin mo doon, magpo-post ka ng mga tips on losing weight or slimming, manghiram ka lang sa Google, napakadali. Mag-search ka lang sa mga vlog sa Google, kung sino yung mga vlog na nagpo-post about weight loss, tapos kopyahin mo lang, inote mo lang kung saan galing para hindi ka makasuhan. Ha? Then tapos ilagay mo sa page mo. Pag nilagay mo sa page mo ngayon, lahat ng mga weight loss tips, pinagsama-sama mo sa page mo. Then maya-maya, mag-a-upload ka na ng NutriFab. Nakuha niyo siya? So that is one of the strategy. Another one is maybe, if you want to promote your business, you can say, Network Marketing Tips by Mr. So-and-so. So, doon naman, you are positioning yourself as an expert in network marketing, and you are giving tips about network marketing, and those people who are just starting up a network marketing business, you can attract them. They will follow you, kasi doon sa page mo mismo, marami silang natututunan. Then later on, they will message you. What company you are? Can I join you? Bakit sila mag-join? Kasi nakitaan ka nila ng credibility, integrity, na etong magaling to, and at the same time, I can rely to this person that I can be successful in network marketing career. Nakuha niyo siya? But it takes a lot of time and process. At pwede ka rin mag-isip ng mga page about your personal. Let's say, you want to be a celebrity. O, diba? Eh, di pangalan mo lang dyan, nakalagay, PJ Primalyon. Diba? So, pwedeng ganun. Anything. Be creative. So, ngayon, pag namili ka na, let's say, specific, kasi maraming babae, you want to sell products online, I will have an example, specific example, on selling products online. Let's say, pipiliin natin tong brand or product. Click mo to, lalabas yan, select a category. So, health and beauty, then pangalan ng shop na gusto mo or page. So, ang sample natin, ang pangalan is Amazing Beauty Online Shop. Okay? Then, i-click mo yung Get Started. Then, next, fill up the About section. Ito palagi pinaka-importante. Okay? So, this page is an online store exclusive for Uno products, or promos and discounts offers are exclusively managed by the page admin. Call now. Pwede ganon. Then after that, you click Save Information. Then next, then you put a profile picture in your page. Again, this will be your logo. So parang kumpanya mo kasi kung gagawa ka ng online shop, so you need to have a unique logo or profile picture, and you should not change it. Okay? Kung pwede, for good for 10 years na yan. Then after that, important things to consider in building a business page. Create a unique and personalized logo of your online store, if it is an online store. Make sure to promote your products or business in your timeline cover. This is the best time or the right place for you to promote your number, your email address, your mode of payment, and any other things. Then create your personalized online shopping instruction. Kasi kung minsan ito yung kulang, di ba? Papasok ako sa page mo, may binibenta ka dun apply ng Lutaso. Eh ngayon, ako yung interested buyer. Minessage kita, naka-offline ka for several days. Ngayon, anong gagawin ko? Mag-aantay ba ako sa'yo? Take note, yung mga nagpa-follow ng page mo or napupunta sa page mo, hindi pwedeng mag-aantay yan because they are parang walk-in buyers sila. You need to have an interactive, okay, system inside your page. Ano yun? So, pwede kang mag-set up ng mga instructional materials, where to find the product details, paano mag-place ng order, mode of payment accepted, how to process payment and shipment or delivery system. Then after that, pag na-set up mo na siya, saka ka mag-post ng mga product, parang ito yung mga sample, I gotten this from one of our Uno distributor na mayroon siya online shop, and you having this unique, okay, picture, ni-layout niya, then pinost niya sa kanyang Facebook page. Full name, sabi niya dito, send this order form via private message. Kindly, no cancellation of orders. Thank you. So lahat ng kailangan niya na info pag gusto mong umorder. And after that, may instruction din siya step-by-step procedure how to place an order. Okay? Para pag ako yung gustong bumili, I know already how to do it. Okay, step 1, mamimili ako. Step 2, di ba? Step 3, isi-send ko. Then after that, may magre-reply na sa akin. Okay? Then, how to pay? O, eto na. Nakapag-order na ako, pwede na pala ako diretsyo magbayad. Hindi ko na hintayin yung reply ng admin ng page. Kasi may instruction na. Pupunta ako sa ganito, mag-fill up ako ng ganyan, eto yung amount na babayaran ko. Then, once done, give the slip and money to the teller, etc., etc. Then give the receipt or proof of payment to the page, the email or whatever. And it's done. So, very interactive, di ba? Kahit hindi ka naka-online as page owner, may mga instruction na inside. So, this is the best example if you want to create an online shopping page. Okay? You can also make use of this if you are having a page of Uno Premier UAE by Mr. So-and-so. Ang gagawin mo naman doon, ano yung commonly tinatanong? Paano sumali? Paano i-process yung package? Tama mali? So, doon naman ang gagawin mo ngayon na step-by-step procedures. Para pagpasok ng buyers or visitors sa page mo, they know what to do already. Okay? So, with this method, with this page, you didn't need to have a website. So, So parang ito yung lalabas na sample, di ba? Nilagyan niya talaga ng mukha niya. Yan, kasi branding, di ba? So if you dare want to put your face there, it's okay. Okay? So lagay mo dyan yung pinakamaganda mo talaga na mukha, nakaganyan ka talaga, di ba? Kung gusto mo yung pinasexy talaga, di ba? Kasi be a model of your own product, tama? Okay. So Amazing Beauty Online Shop, we accept credit cards, PayPal and bank payments, email address, contact number, online managed by, blah, blah, blah. So this is the sample. Then next is prepare and post the content inside your page. Ano yung ipaglalagay mo sa loob ng page? Tapos mo nang magawa yung page, may unique name ka na, may profile picture, mayroon ka ng timeline cover, at nakagawa ka ng mga step-by-step procedure. Next to that is anong ilalagay mo sa loob. Okay? So ngayon, magpe-prepare ka na. Okay? Number one, since we are talking about Uno business, you collect Uno product pictures and videos with their corresponding descriptions and dosage and whatever information na kailangan ilagay. Na kumbaga ilagay mo palagi, put yourself in the shoes of the customer. That if you want to buy something, ano yung gusto mong makita at mabasa? So yun ang ilagay mo doon. Then after that, focus on the benefits and features. Huwag lang yung basta-basta nag-copy-paste ka lang galing sa website natin, di ba? Yan ang ginagawa ng iba eh, tamad-tamad, copy-paste, copy-paste. Tapos wala na, then they are expecting people to buy from them. Be creative, okay? In creating an effective online advertisement, always consider your customers' needs, wants, fears, and frustrations. So, ito yung mga focus na i-highlight mo palagi. Then, yung before and after testimony ng mga products natin are very, very powerful. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-edit kasi nagagawa na yan ang page ng Uno mismo. You just grab it there, then post it in your own page. Okay? Then after that, ito yung parang sample. This is just a sample of an ad. Okay? Let's say, hindi pa kasi that time available nung ginawa itong slide na to, hindi pa available ang NutriFab. Kaya ang pinopromote nila na parang lose weight package or weight loss package is Fit Right, Acai Berry, Crypto Organic, Cappuccino, and Coffee because this is also very good for losing weight. Okay? So ngayon, ito yung sample ng kanyang caption. Looking for effective and fast lose weight package? You arrive in the right place. Here's our new amazing lose weight or slimming package. A complete set of all Uno slimming products for your daily use. Tested and proven, result guaranteed. O, diba? Nag-guarantee ko talaga. For orders and inquiry, call us now. Okay? So this is just very simple, pero alam mo yung nakaka-catch ng attention ng mga possible walk-in customers na maging interested sila to like, to share, to message you, or to buy something from you. So this is it. Ngayon, after that is you need to promote your page para, kasi ang concept ng page is simple. The more maraming likers, the more na maraming visitors, the more na maraming visitors, the more na maraming mag-order, bibili, sasali, mag-inquire. So that's your purpose. Kaya nga sabi ko, your personal account is not the proper place of posting product for sale. But this is the right place because the purpose of this page is really for selling products. So anong gagawin mo ngayon? Kasi may 5,000 friends ka. Gusto ko ma-promote yung product na to doon sa account ko. But how can you do it professionally na hindi ka nagbebenta? Diba? Magbebenta ka, pero hindi ka magbebenta. Paano yun? Ha? So this is it. You need to promote. Okay, naka-hide. Naka-hide siya, naka-hide. Okay. Are you still okay? We're already done. Almost done na tayo. Okay, this is the sample of how to promote it. Okay. May mga natutunan ba kayo?
Yes!
Pag wala, hindi na natin ituloy yung second session. Let's say for example, this is a specific product na pinost mo sa page mo. Let's say this is the name of the page, Uno Glutathione Capsule. Tapos ito yung product. Tapos ito yung binibenta natin, di ba? So ngayon, sabi ko nga, dito yung right place to post the product, the description, at yung sinasabi mong for sale, DM for orders, contact this number. So ngayon, paano yung strategy na isi-share mo siya sa account mo na hindi namang halatang nagbebenta ka? It's simple, ang gagawin mo, share the content of this. Paano i-share? I-click mo lang yung share. Pag kinlik mo yung share, okay, on your own timeline, di ba? Lalabas yan. Tapos, ang gagawin mo, you will tell your personal testimony about the products. Pero, hindi ko sinabi kahit wala kang personal testimony, mag-personal testimony ka, hindi. Huwag kang magsinungaling. Kasi mamaya, sabihin, nag-lighten talaga ang skin ko, tapos pagkita niya sa'yo, hindi ka naman talaga pumutin. Di ba? You can borrow success story or testimony of other people. But much better, it is more better to have your own personal testimony. Kaya nga maganda, you need to be a product of your own product. Di ba? Okay. Parang ganito yung sample. Super effective talaga. In just 2 weeks, na-notice ko na nag-lighten na agad ang skin complexion ko. Super thank you talaga, Uno Glutathione Capsule. Nagbenta ka, hindi? Hindi ka nagbenta. Pag pinost mo yan, pag kinlik mo yung share photo, etong lalabas. Parang lalabas yan. PJ Primalion shared the name of the page, tapos yung personal testimony ko, di ba? So yung mga friend ko, hindi nila iisipin, nagbebenta ako. Tama, mali? Kasi nagsabi lang naman ako ng experience ko eh. Pero out of my 5,000 friends, may mga ambisyosa at ambisyosong pumuti din. But they are ashamed or shy to ask me, what is that product? Where can I buy that? Tama, mali? So ang gagawin nila, since they saw it in my profile, i-click nila ngayon itong picture. Correct? Kasi nako-curious sila eh. They want also to get, lighted. Okay, ngayon, ang gagawin nila, pag-click nila, saan sila mapupunta?
Sa page.
Sa page. Sinong may-ari ng page? Ako. Ngayon, pag gusto niyang bumili, sinong makakatanggap ng order? Ako. Nakuha niya siya? So that's the proper way of doing online selling. Diba? So hindi yung tipong diretsyo mo na lang i-post sa account mo. Tsaka dyan, kahit na, di ba? At saka ang pag-post, remember, 80-20. 20% lang ng post mo for the day or for the week is yung related sa business, 80% related sa, or I mean non-related to business or non-business related. Okay? So have you learned na paano gagawin yung pagbibenta? So kung gusto mo naman, hindi mo mapigil na, gusto mo mag-post ng for sale, doon ka sa page magtagdag ng post na gano'n. Kasi that is really the intention of the page, to sell products. So yung mga followers mo sa page na yon, hindi magre-reklamo. Ba't ka nagpo-post ng Uno products? Tama, mali. Kasi from the name itself, Uno product, di ba? Alam nga naman, ano i-post ko dito? Ibang kumpanya. Siyempre, Uno. Pero doon sa account mo, is very unethical, natagtarin mo ng ganong post yung account mo. Okay? So those are the basic you need to learn in Facebook marketing. So we're almost done. Next is, ano yung mga dapat mong gawin? Okay, balikan natin kanina yung group, di ba? So what are the 4 strategies you learned today? First strategy is joining a group na kung ano yung target mo na mga tao, di ba? By searching the right keyword. Number 2 is using the graphic search. Number 3 is finding friend. Okay? Then number 4 is using Facebook page. Ito naman, basically, this is for selling products. So ngayon, once you're in the group na, okay? Make some informative post. Mag-post ka din if you want. But make it sure na informative siya. Hindi yung tipong nangre-recruit ka. Okay? Post and comments. Let's say, may isang networker doon, nagbigay ng kanyang, alam mo yung kuro-kuro or idea about network marketing. Then you can also give your own personal ideas about it, about the topic. So may makikita nila, well, this person is very good. Ang galing-galing mo makipag-communicate, makipag-interact doon sa comment. So people will get curious about you. Take note that you are all networkers inside the group. So ngayon, stand out ka. Nagsa-stand out ka kasi active ka sa group. Tama? Pag tinignan nila yung profile mo, ang ganda-ganda ng mukha mo, ang bilog-bilog, di ba? Ang laki-laki. Di ba? Nakasmile pa. Tapos ang ganda pa ng naka-cover photo mo doon, tiningnan nila yung about information mo, very complete, wow, very professional. Di ba? yung timeline mo, 80-20 sinunod mo. So hindi halatang nagbibenta ka talaga ng mga product or nagre-recruit. So you keep on posting motivational messages, your personal activities about your job, about your career, and